Home Remedies presents Sleep with a bay leaf under your pillow and see what happens. Bay leaf, also known as bay laurel, is a powerful herb that is useful for manifestation, prosperity, protection, cleansing, and even psychic development. How can a bay leaf, which is an aromatic leaf used in cooking, work wonders for you just by putting it under your pillow at night? Let's see. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. So, I decided why not give it a go myself. I wasn't able to sleep properly at night for so many months, and I always complained about a backache and low pressure. Even when I did sleep properly at one night, the other night I used to be wide awake even at 4 a.m. in the morning. After endless sleepless nights for months, I tried to sleep one night with a bay leaf under my pillow. I had the most amazing, peaceful sleep that night, and I tried to think about all the positive things I want to manifest in my life, and yes, it's working. Here is a list of things for which you can use bay leaf at night under your pillow before sleeping. Write down your wish on the bay leaf and put it under your pillow. With time, your wish will get fulfilled. Put a bay leaf under your pillow to get rid of nightmares and get peaceful sleep. Use it as a tool to manifest your dreams and desires at night while you go to sleep. Use it to cleanse negativity surrounding you by putting it under your pillow at night. Now, there's never a night for me without putting a bay leaf under my pillow. Let me know your views in the comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.